May I start? Oh, okay. For developers worldwide who are seeking fun and aiming to create value for the community, we are introducing the Catalyst Project Explanation Playlist, a dynamic and informative video series on the Whiteboard Cardano channel. Our goal is to make it easy for you to grasp the working of the Catalyst project, understand the benefit of joining the ecosystem, and ignite your inspiration to contribute. Unlike other channels filled with lengthy document or fixed content videos, our videos are constantly updated to reflect the evolving nature of the Catalyst project through different funds. Presented in a captivating whiteboard style, we utilize example, visual, and simplified explanation to ensure that even the most novice developer and even your own grandmother can comprehend the information. We firmly believe that our videos will inspire developers of all ages and skill level to join and make meaningful contribution to the Cardano ecosystem. Our Catalyst project video series target developers with YouTube, inspiring them with short, visually appealing videos under 9 minutes. We aim to encourage contribution to the community and the blockchain industry. Marketing will span Reddit, Discord, and Twitter, optimizing the developer experience, engaging content tailored to the developer behaviors and interests. Whiteboard impactful videos attract and engage developers, fostering open source contribution to the Catalyst project. They encourage innovation, collaboration, and knowledge sharing within the Cardano community. Moreover, the informative content boosts Cardano visibility, attracting stakeholders for wider adoption and ecosystem growth. This series also aims to introduce non-blockchain developers to Cardano and inspire them to join Catalyst project. This is our published plan in 1 month. Within 1 month, we'll be promoting our videos and engaging the community on various social platforms. On our Facebook and Reddit fan page, we will create and share 30 daily posts to keep everyone updated and excited about our content. Same goes for Twitter fan page with 30 daily posts. In our brand Discord community, we will produce and post 60 daily content pieces to foster a vibrant and interactive space. For Telegram, we will share 16 posts to introduce our videos to the audience, reach out to 200 community, and send 1,000 direct messages to spread the word even further. Our goal is to ensure our videos reach as many people as possible and create a buzz around our content within this short time frame. Thank you all for listening.